In this video, we're diving into a comparison of two popular accounting software options, Kashoo versus Billy, which is better for double entry accounting. If you're trying to figure out which one fits your needs, you'll want to stay tuned until the end, because I'll be sharing my thoughts on which one truly stands out. First up, let's talk about ease of use. Kashoo is known for its simplicity. It's incredibly easy to set up, making it a great choice for beginners. The interface is clean, and you can start tracking your income and expenses right away. Billy, on the other hand, is more intuitive and user-friendly for those who have a bit more experience with accounting. While it's not complicated by any means, it has a more modern feel and includes extra features like time tracking and customizable invoicing options. Next thing we need to talk about is features. Kashoo offers core features that do the job, like double entry accounting, invoicing, and expense tracking. But compared to Billy, it feels a bit basic. Billy offers similar features, but it goes a step further with project management tools, automatic bank reconciliation, and more advanced reporting capabilities. If you're running a small business and need detailed insights into your financials, Billy has a bit of an edge here. Moving on, let's touch on pricing. Kashoo offers a straightforward pricing model with just one tier, which is great for simplicity, but it's priced a bit higher compared to Billy. Billy provides more flexibility with its plans, so you can choose one based on the specific features you need, which makes it a more cost-effective solution for businesses that want to scale. If you're just starting out, Kashoo might be easier on the wallet, but Billy is definitely the more scalable option as your business grows. The fourth thing I want to mention is support and customer service. Kashoo offers email support, but it doesn't quite have the personal touch that some other software options provide. Billy shines in this area with its dedicated customer service team available through chat, email, and even phone support during business hours. This could be a game changer if you're working through complex accounting issues. When it comes to integrations, both Kashoo and Billy do a decent job, but there's a clear winner in this department. Billy supports a wider range of integrations with third-party tools, including payment gateways, tax services, and payroll systems. Kashoo has integrations too, but it's not as extensive. So, if you need seamless syncing with your other tools, Billy has the upper hand. Now, let's talk about the most important factor, double entry accounting. Both Kashoo and Billy do offer double entry accounting, which is essential for keeping accurate financial records. However, Kashoo's double entry feature is more simplified, which may be great for someone just starting out. Billy, on the other hand, gives you more control over your double entry setup, which is important as your business grows and you need more detailed and accurate tracking. In summary, both Kashoo and Billy are solid choices for double entry accounting. Kashoo is easy to use, especially for small businesses or beginners, while Billy offers more advanced features and flexibility for growing businesses. But after trying both myself, I found that while these tools are good, there's a better alternative for double entry accounting. If you want something that's intuitive, scalable, and offers exceptional support, I highly recommend trying out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.